Imagine starting your day when the world is still quiet. No distractions, no noise, just you and your goals. But the real question is, how do you actually wake up at 4 a.m. consistently without hitting snooze? In this video, I'll share practical and realistic methods that actually work. No unrealistic advice, no extreme routines, just systems you can follow starting today. Most people think waking up early is about discipline, but in reality, it's about alignment. Alignment between your sleep, your habits, and your routine. If you're going to bed late, your body is simply not ready to wake up early. So instead of forcing yourself to wake up at 4 a.m., you need to prepare your body the night before. Method 1. Fix your sleep timing first. This is the most important step. If you want to wake up at 4 a.m., you should ideally sleep by 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Your body needs 7 to 8 hours of sleep to function properly. Here's what you can do. Reduce screen time at least 45 to 60 minutes before bed. Keep your lights dim in the evening. Avoid heavy meals or intense mental activity right before sleep. Think of it this way. Waking up early doesn't start in the morning. It starts the night before. Method 2. Use smart alarm placement. The way you use your alarm can make a big difference. Instead of keeping your phone next to your bed, place it at a distance where you have to physically get up to turn it off. This creates a small but powerful interruption in your sleep cycle. Also, choose an alarm tone that is clear and noticeable, not something too soft that blends into your dreams. A simple change like this can significantly reduce the habit of hitting snooze. Method 3. The 5-second activation rule. When your alarm rings, your mind will try to convince you to go back to sleep. This is completely normal. So instead of negotiating with your thoughts, follow a simple rule. Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up immediately. Sit up, put your feet on the floor, and stand. The key is to act before your mind starts making excuses. Method 4. Create a meaningful morning routine. One of the biggest reasons people fail to wake up early is lack of purpose. If your morning feels forced or uninteresting, you'll naturally go back to sleep. So design a routine that feels valuable to you. For example, exercise or a short walk, planning your day, working on a personal goal, reading or learning something new. When your morning has meaning, waking up becomes easier. Method 5. Gradual adjustment strategy. If you currently wake up much later, don't suddenly switch to 4 a.m. Instead, adjust your wake-up time gradually. You can shift it earlier by 30 minutes every few days. This allows your body to adapt naturally, making the change sustainable. Consistency is more important than speed. Method 6. Use accountability. Accountability can be a powerful motivator. When you involve someone else, you're more likely to stay consistent. You can share your goal with a friend, have a morning check-in call, join a group with similar habits. When someone expects you to wake up, you're less likely to ignore your alarm. Let's quickly recap. Align your sleep schedule. Use effective alarm strategies. Act immediately when you wake up. Create a meaningful morning. Adjust gradually. Stay accountable. Waking up at 4 a.m. is not about forcing yourself. It's about creating a system that supports you. And once you build that system, it becomes a habit, not a struggle. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and share it with someone who wants to build a better routine. And let me know in the comments, what time do you usually wake up, and what's stopping you from waking up earlier?